Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use the Foreach loop. Everything in 1 minute. The Foreach construct provides an easy way to iterate over arrays. Foreach works only on arrays and objects and will issue an error when you use it on a variable with a different data type or an uninitialized variable. Let's put this in practice. We will declare a variable called sample of type array and add string items. Then we write the syntax of the Foreach loop, where each element of the array will be instantiated in the item variable. Finally, we print the variable item concatenated with a line break. When we execute the command in console, we will see one item printed per line. And that's it. Subscribe for more videos.